Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and find expired Etsy listings on your Etsy store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Etsy website right here, etsy.com, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page right here, the first thing we can do is go into the upper right corner and go ahead and log into your account if you've not already. So if you do not already have an account, just go and create one. And after logging in, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this main page, now we can get started with accessing the shop manager. The shop manager is going to enable us to go and set up a store if you do not already have one. And if you have one, you can just go ahead and log in normally. So after logging in and opening up your store, is going to enable you to access your store settings from the shop manager. And this is how we can get started following this Etsy Help Center article on how to find a missing listing. And what we are looking for exactly is if our listing is expired, this is what we want to follow. So basically guys, the listing stays active for 4 months. After that it expires, and if you want to find that expired listing, you're going to open up the shop manager just like I explained to you right here, and then open up your listings tab. Once you open up listings, you can select expired under the listing status, and just like that we can get started with taking a look at all the listings that we have on our store that have expired, and then we can choose what we want to do with them. If we want to restore them, renew them, and so on, all of that is going to be doable right here, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.